Hey, what's up, everybody? Big T here with the Cook Show. Listen, if this is your first time here to the Cook Show, please take the opportunity right now and subscribe down below. Hit that subscribe button and drop us a like if you like the video and a quick comment. Hit that notification bell so you can check out all our new videos when they come out. But today we're going to cook some chicken on the grill, and we're going to start right now, okay? Recently, I've had a couple people inquire about, hey man, I like to just cook something on the grill. Never used the grill before, don't know how to do it. Can you just show me how to put something on there? I would like to learn how to grill. And so this is something real simple. You're gonna like it. It's quick and easy. And what we got here is 4 little chicken breasts, okay? They've been sitting in the refrigerator for about an hour, okay? Got a little garlic salt on the meat side, okay? The other side still has the skin on it. Put some garlic salt on there, put some soy sauce on there. We're gonna take these bad boys, throw them on that grill right there behind me. And this is just a simple, quick little grilling lesson. This is not a professional grilling tutorial. So if that's what you're looking for, that's not what this is. This is just how to cook something quick and simple on a gas grill. Okay, here we go. So this gas grill, I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's already preheated right there. And it's right about 340 degrees. Let me crack this open. Open them up. Nice and hot in there. We're gonna go ahead and take this chicken, like I said, and we're gonna put him meat side down. Just like that. Okay. Now, I'll go ahead and tell you, because that chicken still has the skin on it, you gotta keep an eye on it, because chicken fat will burn. It will shoot flames up to the stratosphere, the atmosphere, to the other sphere, okay? So we got that right there. As it is, I'm gonna put the rest of that seasoning that's on that plate, the soy sauce and that garlic salt, I'm gonna drip it all over the top of that so we can get it doing this thing. And I'm gonna hit it with a little bit more salt, garlic salt, and let it ride for a little while. Just in case y'all are curious what this is that I'm putting on here, you can get this in any supermarket. Probably order it online, Lawry's garlic salt. Nothing special, but it tastes really, really good. Okay, so like choice soy sauce and garlic salt. That's it, nothing else. That's all we're putting on there today, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and close this lid, and when we get ready to turn it over, I'll show you what that's looking like and take you through the process. But to save some time with today's video, I'm gonna shut this down and let it do its thing. All right? All right, guys. So it's been about 5 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and flip this chicken over, let y'all see what's happening. So you start to try to flame up back there in the back. Flip him over. Get things going. Bring this up here and let y'all see real close kind of what this is looking like. You know, it ain't burnt. It looked like a little dark, but it ain't burnt. It'll be crispy. Perfect when it's done. Guarantee it. We're gonna let that sit on that skin side for about 2 minutes. While this is upside down, I'm gonna hit it with a shot of this soy sauce. I'm gonna touch him one more time with some of this garlic salt. Now, most gas grills come with those vents that look like this. They sit over top of the flames. Those are flame deflectors, okay? So when the grease drips down there on the flame, it doesn't blow up and burn you, scorch your meat like charcoal, okay? So if you have them, set the meat right in the front of that. If you want, you can do what's called indirect heat, or you have, let's say you have 3 burners, right? 3 rows of burners. You light these 2 rows over here, and this burner over here, don't turn it on. Set your meat over there on that side, and let the thermostat, the temperature gauge right here, get up to about 350, just like it would in your oven. You keep that meat over here on this side, and it's called indirect heat. You're gonna see a lot of that on the Cook Show, especially when we're using charcoal. But we'll let this ride out here for about 2 minutes, and then we'll flip them over and we'll keep things rolling, and we'll get the rest of the ingredients to go on this grill, so you can make yourself a nice quick little dinner on the grill. Minutes passed. What I did, I went ahead and take the chicken off of the heat. Okay, I took it off of the flame down here. Okay, and I set it up here on this tray. Okay, got a little bit of aluminum foil on that tray, so that just in case any grease drips down, it doesn't get onto the flame and shoot up there and burn onto the bottom of the chicken. So we're gonna leave that up there. You know, it's sizzling. Let me see if I can get you down here. Let me get my camera down here. I told you there's a one-man video production crew, but let me take you down here and show you this chicken, what it's doing. Okay, see that? It's in there just sizzling, doing its thing. Right? So he's gonna be good in there. We're gonna leave him in there for about 10-15 minutes. Right? Leave it in there for about 10-15 minutes, and then we'll come back, put the rest of the stuff on the grill, and we'll be done. In the meantime, time for a cold beer. My beer preference is Yingli. If you want to send me some, send it on down. Be right with you. All right, so while that chicken is finishing off, we're gonna go ahead and add the rest of what we're gonna cook for dinner tonight on this grill, okay? So let me show you something really simple. What I have here is 4 ears of corn on the cob, okay? Nothing special. We're gonna take each ear. Each ear has about a tablespoon of butter. Just gonna roll that around in there one time like that on each ear. Each ear got his own little butter stack, okay? So we roll them around in that butter, just like that. Get a little butter on there. Don't have to be perfect, so you don't got to worry about that. Okay, you're just trying to put a little butter on there, right? Now you got the butter on there, so I'll put a little salt on here. Okay, so put a little salt, no garlic salt, just regular table salt. Okay, put a little salt on there. It's gonna do its thing to it. Okay, so we'll get that over there. While our chicken is up here on the top, see, it's still up there doing that sizzling like I showed you. Okay, so I'll take this corn, set it right there on the grill. Hey, be enough of that. I'm gonna set that corn on there. We're gonna let him get a little glaze, little crispy on the edges. Let my kernels cooked a little bit, and just gotta keep an eye on it, because that butter is gonna get things cooking in there real quick. So you wanna roll it around a little bit. I don't know if you can see that. Camera's up there a little ways, but it's starting to char up. So close that lid. I'm gonna let that corn get to where it needs to be, and then we'll put the next item on there, and we'll be ready to go eat something. All right, guys. So our corn's been on there for about 10 minutes. Now we're gonna go ahead and add the last thing on there real quick. Some of these bad boys right here. Can y'all see that? These are sweet peppers. These are not hot peppers. So go ahead and crack this back open. Slide my corn over here. Let it finish up its thing. Looking perfect. Really easy. Just gonna take these pepper skewers, okay, just like this. I'm gonna lay them right on that fire, just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and take this opportunity, hit them bad boys with a little soy sauce. We're gonna flip a little garlic salt on there. And in just a couple minutes, those will be done also. Hang tight. Okay, so our peppers have been on there on that side for about 2 minutes, right at around 250, 275. I'm gonna go ahead and flip them over. Hit them one more time with a little bit more soy sauce, a little bit more garlic salt for another 2 minutes, and they'll be good. Close them on back up. And I'll show you what that looks like in 2 minutes. Okay, so pretty simple, right? Well, let me show you what it looks like. So for those of you who want to know how to grill, that's it. Okay, there's some chicken, some sweet peppers, okay, some corn on the cob. It's really delicious, okay? So I hope that helped you. You know, it only takes a few minutes, really. Maybe 30, 40 minutes is all this took to make this wonderful looking dish, okay? Put that up there where y'all can really see it, okay? Sweet peppers, some corn on the cob, and some grilled chicken. You know, grilling is a beautiful thing, you know. Everybody enjoys hanging out, and I hope you liked the video. You know, please drop a comment down below, you know, like it, and I really appreciate all the support, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, peace out. Big T.